Hey everyone, Honor has officially introduced the Play 60 and Play 60M in China as the successors to last year's Play 50 series. While both smartphones share same hardware, they differ in color options and pricing. These devices target budget-conscious users looking for 5G connectivity, a large battery, and essential smartphone features at an affordable price. Play 60 and Play 60M are powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 6300 chipset. The GPU is an ARM G57MC2, which is suitable for everyday tasks and casual gaming, but may struggle with demanding 3D games. Both phones run Honor's Magic OS 9.0, which is based on Android 15, offering the latest software enhancements and optimizations. The display on both models is a 6.61-inch TFT LCD panel with a resolution of 1604 by 720 pixels. While the resolution is on the lower side compared to some competitors, the screen compensates with a peak brightness of 1010 nits, ensuring decent outdoor visibility. Additionally, Honor has included eye protection and natural light adjustment modes, which help reduce eye strain during prolonged use. The panel supports 10-point multi-touch, allowing for responsive interactions. In the camera department, the Play 60 and Play 60M are equipped with the same setup. The rear camera system consists of a 13 megapixels primary sensor with f1.8 aperture, capable of capturing decent shots in good lighting conditions. It supports 10 times digital zoom and can record videos in 1080p at the resolution. The front-facing camera is a 5 megapixel sensor with an f2.2 aperture, also capable of 1080p video recording. The battery is a strong point of these devices, as both come with a massive 6,000 mAh battery. This ensures extended usage times, making them ideal for users who prioritize long battery life. The phones support 15-watt wired charging via adapter and feature smart charging technology to optimize battery health over time. Regarding durability, both models feature IP64 rating, providing resistance against dust and water splashes. While not fully waterproof, this level of protection is sufficient for daily use, protecting against light rain or accidental spills. Security and software features include Face Unlock, App Lock, AI face change detection, privacy tools, and payment protection. Honor has also added usability enhancements like knuckle gestures, device cloning, app cloning, and an ebook mode, making the user experience more customizable. The key difference between the Play 60 and Play 60M lies in their pricing and color options. The Play 60 is available in Ink Rock Black, Jade Dragon Snow, and Xiaoshan Qing, with pricing set at $165 for the 6 and 128 gigabyte variant. The Play 60M, on the other hand, comes in Ink Rock Black, Jade Dragon Snow, and Morning Glow Gold, with prices ranging from $235 for 6 and 128 gigabytes. Overall, the Honor Play 60 and Play 60M provide solid value for budget users looking for a 5G phone with long battery life, decent performance, and essential smartphone features. However, the low-resolution display and basic camera system may be drawbacks for those looking for high-end multimedia experiences. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.